everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk with Neeraj Shrivastava. He has over 20 years of experience in fish keeping. In this video, he will be sharing some essential tips to keep your aquarium fish happy and healthy, as well as exploring some common reasons why fish may struggle to thrive in aquariums. So stay tuned to learn from his wealth of knowledge. So let's get started.
Thank you, Shweta, for giving me the chance. And in my last video, I had, as you discussed in my last video, I had told you how to keep aquarium fish with very less effort and in a simple way. Today, the topic is very important, and let's start about it. What happens when you keep fish in aquarium? In the beginning, we have a lot of curiosity. Every time we try to change the setting, we try to try something new, and this disturbs the fishes. Once you set your aquarium and put fish in it, one should be patient and let the fish do themselves and be acquainted with the place, be acquainted with their home. So this is the one of the reasons. Okay. So now some basic reasons why fishes die that I discuss one by one. The first one is the water quality. What happens? People go to the aquarium shop, bring fish at home, and directly put in the aquarium without knowing that what is the temperature of the aquarium water, or what is the temperature of the fish kept in the bottle, or it is in a packed condition. So this disturbs the this vary of the temperature disturbs the fish, and they starts dying. They don't cope up with it. So what one should do when you keep your aquarium and you have to put or add fish in it, go to the shop, purchase the fish, and when you come, don't open and put it in the aquarium. What you do, you put the packed packet in the aquarium water. The polythene pack in which the shopkeeper gives you the fish, you just put it in the water. And what will happen after half an hour? Yeah.
The water in which fishes are kept already in the packet, we need to we need to pour the whole packet along with fish in aquarium.
No, we don't have to pour. We don't have to open the packet. Don't open the polythene in which it is packed. The packed packet you have to put in the drop in the water.
Okay.
In the surface of the water without opening it.
Okay.
So what will happen? The temperature of the aquarium water and the temperature of the packet water in 10 or 20 minutes, it will remain the same. It will become the same. Okay. And then after the packet should be opened, and you can pour it in the aquarium, or you put the fish in the aquarium. If you don't want to add that water, you just take out the fish, and that will not disturb this is the right method to put the fish in the aquarium. The first thing I told you. Okay. What was that thing? I just repeat in one or two sentences. When you bring the fish, never open the packet and put the fish in the aquarium. You put the packed polythene in the water, leave it for 20 minutes, and then after open the packet and put the fish in the aquarium. It will be all right. Fish shopkeeper, they generally don't tell it, don't give any knowledge about it, how to take it home and how to put in the aquarium. They just sell it out. That's enough. That's all for them. Okay. The one thing, first very important thing that I told you. Second thing, when fish are already in your aquarium, what you do, the light system, which is very important, it helps 2-3 ways. Number one, it gives life to the plant, or help the live plants to live in the water and make food, and at the same time plant release oxygen that helps the fishes to breathe well. Okay.
Mhm.
So what you do, uh, light off on is very important in the morning. When you get up in the morning, you can you can on the light, and throughout the day you can leave it open. This light should be on throughout the day. This helps
Just like
one
just
to
like
the
works like a sun and for the fish.
yes, this is the sun for the fish, you are rightly said. So what happens when it is light is on? First, they get the environment to make food. The second one is the fishes are very feel normal when the light is on. They are not scared. They are they feel at home.
They feel
Third,
comfortable.
comfortable. Third, it gives a little water temperature high. It also makes that. Uh, this is important. And the fourth one is just we feel day and night. Fishes also feel now it is daytime. They will start their day activity. In the night, when you put out the light, what will happen? The fishes will also sleep as we sleep. So light off on is the second thing. A general thing, one important, more important thing is whatever the light you put in it, it should be according to the aquarium. What I mean to say, if aquarium is small, the voltage, the power of the bulb should be low. It will be 3 watt, 6 watt. If it is LED bulb, if it is a normal bulb, it should be 40 watt or 60 watt, like that. If aquarium is of medium size, this is well. If aquarium is very big, then 100 watt bulb is good. So light is of high power. It will disturb two ways. One is the overlight will not be looking normal, and it will not give the normal atmosphere to the fishes. And second one, it will create more heat inside. So bulb should be of the good temperature, means it's
Of aquarium.
according to aquarium is it's means watt should be, it should be of uh, 40 watt. If it is general bulb, of it is LED bulb, it should be 4 or 6 watt. Okay. So first thing I told you, how to put the fish in the aquarium. Second thing I told you, uh, uh, how we should use the bulb. The third that I am giving is putting food. As soon as we bring fish in the aquarium and put in the aquarium, we start giving food, because we feel that as we are hungry, fishes are also hungry, and it will be very bad if we don't give the food. So we start pouring food inside. That is the mistake. Never give food in the beginning. When you bring the fish, it will not, because it is not a normal. When the place changes, it is not normal. So it will not normally, fish will not eat as it generally eats. So don't give food. And when it becomes normal in 2 hours, 4 hours, it will start searching food. If you once see the fish with its normal activity, it is moving normal, and it is searching for food, then you put food.
After
And
after how much hours? Like if we pour fish in aquarium, so how much it takes time to settle fish and to feel comfortable? Generally, how much time it takes?
it depends the quality of the fish. It depends on the fish. Normally, my advice will be, in the first day we should avoid giving any food. From the second day, you normally little of it, which is consumed in 1 or 2 minutes. If it is consumed, then leave that, and next day again, after 24 hours, you can put the same amount of food. Okay. So giving food in good means in good means amount, that is also very important.
Okay.
Overfeeding generally kills fish, and it is one of the common reasons why fish die. When you put more food in it, what happens? Half of it is eaten by fish, half remains inside the water, and it pollutes water, and fish gets the fish in troubled water. That is the proverb. That really happens there. Fish don't
Oh,
in themselves
this is
pollute.
the major reason why fishes die.
Is one of the important reason why fish. One of the big reason why fish die. If you give less food, if you don't give food, it is not going to die easily. But if you put a little bit extra, it will be a reason of fishes trouble for the fishes. Okay, so giving food is the third one. First one is how you put the fish in the aquarium. Second thing, how should you use the light. Third thing is how you give food inside the aquarium. Fourth thing, never try to set it a different way every time. Once you set it, leave it as it is for some time. After uh, after 1 month or 2 months, if you feel, then you can a little change the setting inside. But my suggestion will be, whatever you setting you have done once, and put the fish inside, leave it as it is. It will the fish will play well, they will remain well, they will be healthy and in a good state of mind. So mm, fourth thing that I told you is, don't disturb it again and again. Okay. Okay. One more important thing, people start changing water every day or every 7 days or every day. It is a very dangerous step that one takes. We don't need to change the water. Actually, what happens, we feel that as we drink water and every day we change the water of our vessel, in the same way they think that in the aquarium we have to change water every day or in 7 days or like that. This is not the case. In aquarium, when you put the water, never change the water. And I mean it. It is not going to harm the fish in any way, provided overfeeding is not there. If water change, you don't change water, uh, fish will be happy, and at the same time you will not get involved more, you will not be disturbed every time changing water or in that activity. Our main purpose of keeping aquarium is to get pleasure by seeing it, or it will be a good decoration at home. If we continue changing it, if we continue decorating it every day, and that will not solve the purpose. So you, once you set it, put the water, forget it. Fish will automatically leave. Uh, Two things you do. First, uh, put on the light in the morning. Leave it for throughout the day. In the night, you put out the light. Again in the morning, you put on the light. In the night, you put out the light. In this way, light system, only 2 times you have to do two work: light on and light off. In the morning, you on it. In the night, you off it. Okay. Second thing, put the food once in 24 hours. Every day you have to take a little bit of food, put inside the aquarium and forget. So only by doing these two things, your fish will remain very well, and you don't have to be involved in it very much. So this will be my suggestion. And
Thank you
there are
so much for
Hmm.
giving me their knowledge, because generally people know what shopkeeper suggested, and we by own we think about the fishes, how to keep fish, if we change daily water, and we do for extra caring, for giving extra care. So I want to keep my fish alive, so that's why I give all the things like food, every day give food, every day change water. So but it doesn't work. We need to gain experience, as you shared your all the knowledge. So thank you so much, Bhaiya, for sharing all these things. I hope people will gain knowledge from it, how to keep fish in aquarium at home in a good way, and in happy mood. Your fish will not die. So thank you so much for sharing all the knowledge. Very genuine and real knowledge you are sharing. Thank you so much for your time, your knowledge.
Okay, okay. In the end, I will stop it by giving one simple tip. What tip is that? When you are a beginner, uh, avoid keeping community tank. Community tank is a tank in which there are many types of fish live together. That becomes problem. Sometimes one fish disturbs others, and some fish are aggressive, they harm the other fish. Some fish are of general nature, good nature, and some are aggressive. So avoid keeping community fish. When you are beginning your aquarium, what you do, you select the fish, only one type of fish which you like, and you bring at least two or more than three or four you bring, and keep only 3-4 fish, not more than that. Yeah, if you are taking beta fish, if you are taking fighter fish, it remains alone, so that fish will remain one. But in general way, if you are starting, you just take one pair or two pair of fishes, and only one variety, not put many varieties, and you will see that the fish will remain good.
Thank
So it
you
is
so
not
much. Thank you so much for sharing all these things, precious knowledge, how to keep fish alive and in a good way, so that we can enjoy aquarium at home happily. So thank you so much.
okay. Thank you,
Once
Shweta, and thank you, viewers, also. And
again.
keep watching my video. I have a lot of things in my mind that I want to share. In my next video, I will come up with some more general information how to keep fish. And it is not complete. Its part two will come, as I will say, because many things still remain. And if you have any question, please do write to me. Do write to the to in your.
Comment, can write whatever questions you are, please write in comment box, so that we can reply it and give proper advice how to keep fish at home happily.
Definitely, I promise you, your every question will be answered correctly by me. I have answer for all the questions without any book, without any outer knowledge. From my inner sense, I have all the answers. So,
I guess, Bhaiya, you have more than 20 years. You have been experiencing to keep fish at home. I guess from since
since my
childhood
school,
you are keeping fish at home.
yes,
So
yes,
it's
it's my
more than
genuine
20 years.
hobby, and yes, it's my genuine
Thank
hobby. And since childhood, I have uh, uh, kept fish. I started keeping fish, and still I am with this hobby. So, thank you very much for giving me the chance. Bye, viewers. Thank you very
Bye.
much for watching. Bye.
Bye. एक्साइटिंग न्यूज फॉर इंग्लिश लर्नर्स। आज मैं आपको एक अद्भुत ऐप के बारे में बताने जा रही हूं, जिसका यूज करके मैंने अपनी इंग्लिश को इंप्रूव किया है और यह आपको दुनिया भर के लोगों से जोड़ती है। जी हाँ, एस फ्लुएंसी। यह आपकी स्पोकन इंग्लिश को इंप्रूव करने में काफी मदद करेगी। वैसे तो इस ऐप में आप 30 मिनट्स तक किसी भी को लर्नर से फ्री में बातचीत कर सकते हैं, यानी कि 30 मिनट्स फ्री टॉक टाइम एवरी डे। लेकिन अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको और अधिक प्रैक्टिस करने की जरूरत है, तो इस ऐप में अनलिमिटेड कॉल की भी सुविधा उपलब्ध है। साथ ही पर्सनल गाइडेंस, लाइव क्लासेस, ग्रामर क्लासेस और वोकैबुलरी क्लासेस और भी कई फीचर्स अवेलेबल हैं। इस ऐप में आप रूम क्रिएट करके कई लोगों से एक साथ इंग्लिश में किसी भी टॉपिक पर डिस्कस कर सकते हैं। सचमुच में यह ऐप बहुत ही अद्भुत है। So begin your spoken journey towards fluency with Ace Fluency. I have provided the link of this app in my description box and use my promo code Shweta10 to get 10% extra discount. Go and download this app and start your spoken English journey. Best of luck.